Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to refill a propane torch in Project Zomboid. First, you'll need a propane tank in your inventory. You can find them in rich neighborhoods, gas barbecues, auto shops, or warehouses. To refill it, open your inventory and locate the propane torch. Right-click the propane tank, then select the option Refill Propane Torch. Your character will transfer fuel from the propane tank into the torch, restoring its fuel level so it can be used again for metalworking tasks. Keep in mind that propane tanks have a limited amount of fuel. Each time you refill the torch, the fuel level in the tank will decrease. Once the tank is empty, you'll need to find another propane tank or refill it if you're using a mod that allows propane refilling. And that's how you refill a propane torch in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.